Hi everybody, it's me Angie. I'm back again. How you all doing today? I thought I'd better come back and show you me doing the bird cage because I've done the first part and I haven't got around to the second part yet. So here's the bird cage so far. Let's see if you can see this. Hang on. Right there. Okay, so there's the bird cage. What I did was I put the mirror in. I didn't put any net over the back of it because I thought I tried to get it in with that, but it was just not having it, none of it. And I've actually wrapped around the back bars and painted the butterfly and the flowers again. And then I put glitter nail varnish on them, but I didn't like it, so I took it off, repainted it black, and then put clear nail varnish on. So then I can just put some sort of little gems on there or something and see how we get on as we go along. So what I'm going to do first, put my glue gun on, and I was thinking about just clean off the mirror a minute because it's a bit minging. Right, give it a clean. There's no finger marks where I put it on. So I'm thinking, because Shannon sent me the bird cage and she sent me these cutouts, I'm thinking about putting this cutout here, which one of the ones Shannon sent me, which is really nice, on the mirror at the back there at the top. So she's on a swing like that, and I've got some little love hearts that I cut out of a die and I kept. So I was thinking about putting them on the mirror as well at the back. Let's see, like that. Not really sure I'm going to stick it yet. I don't know whether to use glossy accents or try hot glue. I'm not sure what's going to work best. I'll just see. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Sort of like that. So yeah. There. Just me again. I haven't put my glue gun on. So what am I going to be doing is probably putting some black net. So what I'm going to do is get some black net. They call it tulle or net or whatever you want to call it. So this is the black net. I've got like some of it here. I'm just going to cut some off and go around, maybe go around. I'm not sure if I'll go around that bit or just put some around the top. I'm not sure yet. Let's see what happens. So let's push that to one side a minute. The glue gun's ready. Now I'm going to cut some net up and get untangled. So, what have you been all doing today? What have I been doing today? Not a lot actually. Went to work. It's my son's birthday today. My eldest son. He's 38 today. So an old codger. And he's coming up in a bit to see his mummy. I already rang him and spoke to him today, so he's alright, he's all good, he's happy. So I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, I'm just folding it up so I get it all one level. So I'm going to cut a piece off and then stick hot glue it on around the frame, maybe. Let's see what happens. So yeah, I'm keep rolling it up, rolling it up, rolling it up, rolling it up. Keep going until I get to the end. And then cut a straight line. Get rid of that. Scissors, scissors, scissors. And we're going to cut it straight across there. I don't know if you can see this. And then maybe have a bit about so wide. Just try that for now. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, black and red, the way forward. So, can you see? See it? Can you see it? This way, this way. Right, okay. Wobbly mat, wobbly backdrop. So, let's get get finger marks all over it now, Ange. Behave yourself, woman. Like that, I think. Quite close up to the top. Let's get rid of the hearts and do them after. So let's see if my glue gun's heated up yet. Not supposed to take that long, are they? Check it out. Yes, it has. So if I put a little blob here, little blob there, and work my way around, and then position it on glue strings. Like that, so high up as possible. Glue strings, glue strings, glue strings. Any bits that are on the glass, you can just clean them off after. Let's see. Yeah, that looks nice. And then put the hearts on. Like that. Little blob. Stick this on. So yeah, it's a bit limited. I don't really know. It's not really my bag, but I thought I'd give it a try because it's always a good idea to try new things when it comes to crafting. I'm going to probably pick those bits off in a minute. I don't like them. Little hearts. I don't think there's any specific way of placing them. I think wherever you just place them wherever you want. Can't even pick it up. Come on, come to mama. I'm burning my finger. Oh, I'll have to get all that off in a minute. So there we are. Have a look. Oh, that's quite effective, doesn't it? Quite effective. And I will clean the glue off once now it's cooled. I'll pick it all off in a bit. I can get it off. Standings like that. Yeah, I'll just put the heat gun on it. Like, try just be careful not to crack the mirror. Oh, blobs now. Blobs of it. Anyway, you get the gist of it. I will get it off. Let's heat it back up. So there. Let's see, what do you reckon? What do you reckon? That's nice. That's nice. So, net. Let's just see what I'm going to do with the net. I don't know how to put it around the back. The bird cage around the edges. I'm going to stick it on and see what it looks like, and if I don't like it I'll take it off again. So, put the glue on. Now this is definitely going to burn my fingers, definitely. The thing with crafting as well is I got all these ideas in my head, but sometimes they just don't work, and I just think, oh no, that's not right. And if it don't work, it don't work. Let's see. Yeah, it's waiting for my son to come up tonight. He's going to get in the lazy spa. His birthday treat. Ayah! Oh, and I bought him a little chocolate cake as well because it's his favourite chocolate cake. Let's see what that looks like. What do you reckon? Oh, it's different. Yeah, I might leave that on there. It's different, definitely different. Let's just do it. See what happens. So all I'm doing really is putting a little bit of hot glue around the edge and then sort of tweezering up the net tool, whatever you want to call it, puckering it up a bit, folding it, you name it. There. Move it forward. Bring it down here a little bit so you can see it better. So it's up to you. You can fold it, you can pinch it, you can do whatever you want. And the beauty of it is if you do it all the way around and you don't like it, you can just put the heat gun on it and melt all the glue and take it off again. Possibilities are endless. But I do like red and black anyway. Like that, like that. Some more glue, good glue. So I've just got a quiet 5 minutes before my husband comes home from work. We're having steak for tea, which is nice. It's one of his favourites. It's not one of mine. I'd much rather have beans on toast. Got to feed the worker. Got to look after him. He's a breadwinner. Brings in all the bacon. So for any veggies out there, I do apologise. My granddaughter's a vegetarian. She's absolute pain to feed now. Used to be really easy, but not anymore. We went shopping the other day and she said, she come to my house and I said, what do you want to eat? And she was like, oh, I don't know. She just has pasta with cheese. So I said, Nan's got some new cheese here. It's called smoked cheese. So she tasted it. She went, oh, Nan, she said, it tastes just like smoky bacon. Smoked bacon. So that's her new thing now. Smoked cheese. Ah, yeah. Yeah, but I don't understand why people want to, if you're a vegetarian, why you want food that tastes like meat. I can't work that one out at all. So it's because it tastes nice. But if I think about the animal, I really can't enjoy my food, so. Oh, that's quite pretty. It's different, isn't it? Just keep. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? Sorry. Oh, God's sake, Ange, you're useless at this filming stuff. You think I'd get better at it, wouldn't you? Not yet. Not yet. Oh, it's hot in here. I think you can see it. I'll just keep it there. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So yeah, I got oh, ouch. Got a nice easy day tomorrow because I made a boo-boo yesterday. I kept thinking it was Monday. So in the shop I have to send the weekly order. There's a daily order for meds, and then the weekly order is all the stuff for the shop that comes in, you know, like sanitary towels and, you know, all the bath stuff and all that stuff. Anyway, guess who forgot to send the order yesterday? Like a donut. Me. I wanted till I got in today, and the ladies, one of our ladies that works there, she said, oh, it'll be busy tomorrow. She said, we'll be able to fill all the shelves up. And I was like, oh my God, what have I done? Or not done, as the case may be. Yeah, so it's going to be, the shop, it's going to be a bit sparse for the next couple of days. Well, for at least a week anyway, because it won't come again until next Thursday. I made a boo-boo. Oh well, less work to do tomorrow. Definitely. Ouch, this is hot. I need one of them finger protector things. I might order one of them actually. Might be an idea to order one. I do a lot of work with tulle and net and tutus and stuff, so I usually just got my spongy thing, but I don't know where it is at the moment. Not sure what I've done with that. I think the back of it, you could just put some black ribbon over it just to cover it, or whatever you want really. That's finishing there. I'll have to cut some more. Right. It's very difficult, I think, when you've just got something and it's just like bars. I didn't know what to do with that. Just not the norm, something a bit different. Just keep going around, sticking on the nets. Wait for it to cool. My finger's attached. Kids all going back to school next week. We live just across the road from a secondary school, and it's been so quiet these last 6 weeks. And it's like you get about 1 million packets of crisps and wrappers in your garden and stuff like that. But they're only kids. We did it when we were kids. Like, how wide? How wide? About that wide. I'm going to just cut some more tulle. Might be a little bit too long, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, so there's always like lots of traffic, especially around school time and that. But it's a Catholic school, so they're quite well behaved children. The Catholic school's quite strict anyway, aren't they? Well, that's what I've known about the Catholic Church in times gone by, that they're quite strict. But I mean, that was in the olden days. They're probably fine now. Discipline's a good thing anyway, I think, for children. They need to know where the line is. I don't think, I mean, days of old, cruel days of old are all long gone, but children need discipline. They need to know, they like discipline actually, they need to know there's the rules and you have to follow them. Otherwise you just get anarchy. When they go out into the big wide world, they just want everything handed on a bleeding plate. Well, guess what? Don't work like that. Right, how much more should I do? Let's have a look at this side. Just a little bit more. Because the mirror's not coming out again, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah! Cut that off. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. Fold it over. Without taking the skin off my fingers. I will actually cover this over what the glue is. Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it? A bit different, a bit unusual. Now, what should I do with the... I'm not sure what to do with the flower and the butterfly, because I can decorate them now with... nicey. See if I can find something red to go in the flowers. It's got to be red, really, hasn't it? Let's have a look. See if we've got anything in here. Not too big. Oh my God! Here I go again. Things flying everywhere. No, that was stupid, Ange. Right. Like that. See? What do you think? That's quite nice. It's a gem. Might put that in the stone if it'll stay in. Get another one of those. Let's tip it into some up. know why crafting have to be so it makes it really difficult for myself. I do. Right, hang on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Beads everywhere. So what did I do with that one? That one. I like that. And another one. Same. No, not yet. Take it all out. That's I bought a bridesmaid's dress, and this was the trim that was all the way along it. Really pretty. Really pretty. Aha! There we go. So I wonder if I could cut these off. I'll try and cut these bits off. So I just want the big stone. I wonder if these will come off. I'll just put that in there in the middle. Cut that bit off as well. And then this bit. God, that's really crunchy. It's nice. Likey. So I'm going to put those two in the middle of the flowers. Put that inside a minute. So let's try and stick it in. Get rid of these bits. Oh, there's sniff. It's working in that pharmacy. Everybody comes in and goes, I got a really bad cough, and they go, I think so. Cheers then. So bye now. What do you think? Nice. Pretty. Let's do this one. I'm going to put a bit of chain down there, I think. I got any thick chain? Let's see what we got here. Try this chain here. Might be too thin. All that. Oh, that's all right. I'll do that. How long does it need to be? There. Get straight-ish. Didn't even stick. Yeah, there. Come out nice, I think. It's a bit short there, a bit long there. You can just adjust it. if you want to do something like this. This is just my creation at the end of the day. I just do what I like. So yeah, I put the, where's the thing? Little lights. That's not, that one didn't work. This one works, so we're going to put it in. Open it up. Get it open. Put it in. And there we have it. There we have it, Shannon. What do you think? Thank you for sending it. Tidy it up a bit, take some pictures. That bit there needs snipping off, it's too long. Twist that one off. Oh God, it's all come off now. Right, stick it back on. Heat the glue back on. I might have to do this with glossy accents actually. Stick it on permanent. I think that's what I'll do. There. It's not even straight. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Pretty. Needs something. I don't know what. It's lacking something. I don't know what. I'll have to come back to you. Up to now, I like what I see. I just think there's maybe something else I need to put on it. I'm not sure what. So we got the stencil that die cut that Shannon sent me, which is the fairy on a swing. I'm just going to see if I can get rid of this. Cracking the mirror. Bang! I'll clean it off. Oh dear. I'll clean it off. I'll clean it off with some. There we are. Not that bad. Yeah, so I'm going to put my thinking cap on, folks, and I'm going to probably do maybe I'll do some dangles or something to go off it. Come on it. On it. Bring in here. It's quite gothic. Quite different. But there you have it. That's my interpretation of the birdcage. So I know you probably have to wait a little while for part 3, but watch this space because I'm I've stuck that on there now. I'm going to be doing my my bauble next, and then go on to doing one of my creations, which I'm going to cover a basket. But I'm going to do, this is the basket, and I'm going to cover it and decorate it all up like a little girl's flower basket. So watch this space, and we'll do that. That'll be the next tutorial after the bauble. Like you saw, 3 of the baubles been made now, and mine's the last one. So I don't know. I've got a lot to live up to now. Oh, what's that? That's nice, isn't it? Look at that. That's perfect from there. Where should I put it? Should I put it out there? Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That's what I cut off. A lady brought it into the shop. I wonder if I can cut those out. I don't know if I can. Maybe not. Yeah, perfect. If I I get them out because they didn't look nice. Oh dear. Okay, I'll stick that back in. That's it. And put that stone back in. Like that. Right, a bit of glue. Glue, glue, glue. Glue, 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 glue. Come out then, glue. Stupid glue. How does it go that way? Yeah, that's nice. That is. I'm going to put that on there, like that. Yeah, I like that. Let's see if it'll stick. Might fall off. If it does, I'll glossy accent it. Just come across that by an accident. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. One altered bird cage. Let's see what we could come up with next. I like that. It's nice. I'll take some pictures and put them on the end. So yeah, thank you for watching. Watch this space because I will be back. I don't know what I'm going to do with that damn bauble, because after watching Sharon off Saz, well, I can't remember her YouTube name now, but I will mention it when I do the bauble. Yeah, when I seen hers, I was like, oh my god, it's game over, because hers is like, it's a work of art. It really is. So yeah, what do you reckon? Nice, 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 nicey, 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 nicey. Let's lay it down so you can see it. I'll get in there. So there we are, done. Another little project done, sorted. And I'll be coming back to you folks with me bauble. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might paint it actually. Don't know what I'm going to do. Let's see. Oh, that's quite nice. That's quite nice, that one. It's nice, isn't it? It's nice. Where's that going to go though? I can't go on there, can I? Cannot go on there. No. No. That's it. Put it away, Andy. Okay then. So then I wrapped red satin around all the bars. I decided to wrap it around the back of the bars as well, which then made it really, really difficult to put the black net over the mirror, but I think it's dark enough anyway. And then I put some a die cut there and some little love hearts, put some net around the back, a little bit of crystal down there, which I'm going to have to stick back down because it's keep coming off, and then there's some little gems, diamantes on there, and then I put the piece off the necklace on the top, so, and it's got a light in it. So yeah, it's unusual. So I'm going to put a piece of black lace in here to actually hang it, and hey presto, job done. So see you soon folks, take care. All right, speak to you later. Bye then. Bye.